morning, we came back to Master Bean online tutorial video, and Master Bean today introduce you a newest focus Beluga Jet DTG pretreatment machine. So you can see this machine is very small and very cute. And before we don't have the DTG pretreatment machine, we need to use a spray gun to put the pretreatment on the T-shirt. So this costs lots of label, and also you cannot do the pretreatment equal for every position. So this Beluga Jet allow you to do the pretreatment on the black T-shirt and the black T-shirt with equal amount, and also it's very automatic. So at the front, we can see there are lots of functions. First, this is the image. Okay, when we power on the machine, and then we go to the front side of the Beluga Jet, we can see there are lots of function buttons. First is the emergency button, and when you push down, have the alarm sounds coming out. And when you take out, is for connect the power for operation. And the second one is flow adjustment to adjust the pretreatment speed and also the amount. Okay, when we go to the right side of the front, we can see there's another button named CSDL, and it means the clean solution and dark T-shirt and light T-shirt convert button. So if you convert to CS, it's for clean the nozzle, clean solution to clean the nozzle and the intuber, and dark dot means for the dark T-shirt, and L means do the pretreatment on the light T-shirt like a white T-shirt. So you can change the generation. This for clean, and this for dark T-shirt, this for light T-shirt. And this is for start, to push, then the machine starts to do the pretreatment on the surface of the T-shirt. Okay, this is the right side of the machine, and this is the window to detect and supervise the pretreatment process. And at the front of the machine, there's a ruler, the margin ruler, to adjust the pretreatment size from 0 to maximum 50 centimeter for the length. When we go to the back side of the machine, there's another button named unit election and the bed election. The unit election means to pretreat the T-shirt by one pass, just one way. And if you convert to bed action, that means pretreat the T-shirt by double amount. The first pass also spray, and go back also spray by a round tube to do the process of the pretreat. And when we go to the downside of the machine, they also have 3 tubes for each liquid. First is the dark PT, means dark pretreatment liquid for this bottle, and another one is light PT, means the pretreatment for light T-shirt, this bottle, and also another one, the last one is clean solution. It means to connect the tuber for the clean solution liquid to clean the nozzle to convert the pretreatment for light T-shirt and the dark T-shirt. So all of these 3 bottle and 3 liquid all are controlled automatic by our Focus Beluga Jet electronic control system. No need to do any operation or convert the tuber by yourself, by hand, or automatically. Lots of other models of the pretreatment machine only have 1 or 2 bottles, and you need to convert the tuber for each liquid by yourself. For example, first I want to print the pretreatment on the light T-shirt, so I put the tuber for the light T-shirt, and when next second I want to do the pretreatment on the dark T-shirt, they need to convert the tuber to another bottle by hand. But for our Focus newest Beluga Jet, all automatically. So you just the first time you put the tuber with same mark to every single liquid, and later you do everything to auto process automatically by controlled with the electronic system. So it's really intelligent and smart. Also, when we take out the tray, we can see here this acrylic table is flat, and also you can put the t-shirt on the top of the table and then put it inside. The maximum purchase size is for 40 times 50 centimeter. Then we go to the right side of the machine. Okay, now must be introduce you how to do a pre-treat by our focus nearest the Beluga Jet pretty spray system. So first we take a brand new blank t-shirt and we take out the tray and we wear the t-shirt on the top of the table. And also you can just put on the top. Make the flight. Okay, then you put it inside and close it. Then we choose the dark t-shirt or light t-shirt generation. And also you fill all the liquid on the back side of the machine. Put the tuber, go with the liquid. For example, right now it's dark t-shirt, so I just convert to dark t-shirt. And this light t-shirt, this dark t-shirt. And then we go to place start. Then the machine starts to pre-treat automatically. High speed, idle action. This is the high speed and one direction. Then nozzle go back to the home. So this is for one way unidirection by one pass pre-treatment. It's for high speed, low speed, and high quantity amount. The fog is import from Germany and is for high resolution. Then we try low speed pre-treat with bigger amount. This nozzle was imported from Germany and is for high pressure with high fog jobs. Then they go back to home position and stop. And then we can try to another way by idle action. And high speed. Very quickly and no jobs. I will try middle speed. So all full automatic. After that, when the pre-treat finish, we can take out the tray and we can see the t-shirt was pre-treat ready. And we find out the wiper, we wiper the t-shirt to make the flat surface flat. Then we can put the t-shirt on the top of the heating press machine to the heat press for the next step. So this is very simple and easy using and also full automatically. Okay, so this is all the process for purchase t-shirt on dark t-shirt or light t-shirt by the Fox newest Beluga Jet pretreatment spray system. If you have any question, please contact with Fox support team to get the newest information and support. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.